What if I told you that you can become part owner of Apple, Google, or Microsoft with just a few clicks? That's exactly what happens every second on the Nasdaq stock market. Today, we are going to understand how the Nasdaq stock market works in the simplest way possible without any confusing finance jargon. What is Nasdaq? Nasdaq is one of the most and largest stock exchange in the world based on United States. It is the marketplace where people buy and sell shares of big companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla. Think of it like a giant digital shopping mall, but instead of products, people are trading ownership of companies. How stock market works? Let's break it down. First is companies go public. A company like Apple sells a small part of itself called share to raise money. Second, investors buy shares. People like you, big funds or banks buy these shares hoping the company grows. Third is price keep changing. Share prices move up and down based on demand and supply, company performance, news and global events. If more people want to buy, price goes up. If more people want to sell, price goes down. Where Nasdaq is different. Unlike old traditional markets, Nasdaq is fully electronic. There is no physical trading floors. Everything happens through computers. That's why Nasdaq is known for fast trading, technology focused companies, and high volatility price moving quickly. How people make money? There are two main ways. First is capital gain. Buy at 100 rupees and dollars, sell at $150 is equal to profit. Second is dividends. Some companies share profit with investors regularly. But here is important reality check. But remember, the market is not guaranteed profit. Price can also fall and investors can lose money if they mark wrong decisions. That's why knowledge is more powerful than luck. So Nasdaq is basically a global digital marketplace where ownership of companies is traded every second. If you are understand this system, you are already ahead of 90% of beginning in the investing.